We're talking about exploration, Michelle. Good. We're talking about engaging. We're talking about exploration. What do we talk without looking at the books? What else do we talk about?
Although Professor Paul Kelter holds a PhD in analytical chemistry, he is above all a specialist in how young people of all ages learn math and science. As such, he is a teacher of teachers. He has written 2 major chemistry education books and over 60 journal articles, delivered over 200 conference presentations, attracted over $17 million in grants, and received 20 major teaching awards. But Professor Kelter's career as an educator is defined by a simple philosophy: all students matter, and all students can learn.
Our first responsibility as teachers is to know what our students know. And different students will know different things. So when we recognize that all students can learn, we do the things you need to do to work with them and make sure they are part of the class.
Paul is an inspirational teacher because he empowers his students. He teaches them to think critically and to give their opinions and thoughts on whatever it is he's teaching. He allows them to ask questions. He gives them his undivided attention and responds in an engaging way.
Dr. Kelter moves all the time. So because of that, I think, he moves his students. And doing that helps his students see how you move their students. Paul is really passionate about STEM education, and he's really a lifelong learner who models for his students the importance of being engaged and learning new things and just being excited about education in general. Paul has a really great sense of humor, and he's a lot of fun, and when he teaches, he just exudes the joy of teaching and learning.
Paul has a talent for engaging his students in discussion, and with that, the students actually direct the class. Once he gets it going, the students take over and ask the questions and initiate the discussion, and he then becomes facilitator. The students actually take ownership for what they learn in the class.
My favorite times in class are when students are compelled to figure it out. And we don't do it in a rushed way. We do it deliberately. We wait. We have patience. We battle around the ideas, always in an atmosphere of support.
Paul sincerely wants to make a difference in this world, and he supports other people who share similar goals.
Working with him is fun. It's interesting in the sense that he brings so much to the table to make sure that we have the best product that we can put out there.
Paul is a fabulous colleague. He's really collaborative, and he oftentimes asks the question, how can I help? And he really means it.
I love the faculty, the staff, and the students in this place. NIU is a place that's making me happy in this last part of my career, and it's such a pleasure to think that I get to have more years doing just this kind of thing. I can't think of a better job.